Many of us, we come to the talk, or you come to a Friday khutbah, or you come to a lesson, and there's this sickness where you come to see how will the shaykh or the speaker or the imam, how will he entertain me, or how will he inform me of something. And therefore you find a lot of times today people go shopping for speakers that they like. This is very, very dangerous, because this will limit your benefit. The reality is, whenever a Muslim goes to any gathering, we should sit in that gathering asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to open our hearts. And you benefit only according to how much you want. That's why, depending on where you are with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will take something from the message.